Hello, good morning students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Students, today we will revise division. Division, you know that division means equal sharing. Division means equal sharing. What do you understand by equal sharing? Okay, division means equal sharing or equal grouping. It means now we will understand with the help of example here. Divide 12 mangoes. Divide 12 mangoes into 3 equal group. Divide 12 mangoes into 3 equal group. Equal group means I have 12 mangoes. It means equal sharing. Okay. Divide 12 mangoes into 3 equal groups. It means there are 3 groups. You know that this is 3 groups. 1, 2, and 3. We will divide. First we will put here 1 mangoes, 3 mangoes, 2 mangoes, 6 mangoes. Okay. Again 1 mango, 9 mangoes we have divided. Again how many? 12 mangoes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. 12 mangoes. This is called the equal sharing or grouping. We have divided 12 mangoes into 3 equal group. 3 equal group. You know that? Equal group, because in each group has 4 mangoes. So we will say it equal sharing. Okay. Now next topic. Next term as division. Division is repeated subtraction. Okay. Division is equal sharing and division is also a repeated subtraction. Division क्या होता है? Repeated subtraction है. कैसे है? क्यों आज देखते हैं. With the help of example. Divide. I will write a question. Divide 10 mangoes equally among 5 students. Equally among 2 students. By subtraction method. method. Okay, by subtraction method. So we will solve this question with the help of subtraction method. Okay, this is division, but we will solve it with the help of subtraction method. First, we will write the steps. You know that step 1. 10. I have 10 mangoes. I have 10 mangoes. How many students? 2 students. See here, 2 students. They are the students. 2 students. Okay. I have 10 mangoes. I have given 1 mangoes to each. 1 mangoes. Okay, 1. Then how many mangoes I have remaining? 8 mangoes. 8 mangoes. Again, step 2. I will give 1 mango to each. 1 mango to each. 1. Okay. So how many mangoes I have remaining? 6. Okay. Again, step 3rd. I will give 1 each mango, each student 1 mango. Then I have remained 4. Okay. Again, next step, step 4. Step 4. 4. I have remained 4. Then I will give 2. Then 2. Step 5. Step 5. 2 minus 2. It means I have remained 2 mangoes. Then I will give 2 steps 0. When we will got the 0 number, 0 step, 0 number here, at last, then our subtraction is over. It means how many steps we have got? 5 steps. Then what will be our division factor? It means 5. Each student will get 5 mangoes. Each student will get 5 mangoes. Okay, students? Have you understand? 5 mangoes. So, thank you for today. Thank you. Have a nice day. And you will revise your syllabus. Okay.